Hi friends, welcome to Agriculture Engineering. Today our topic is agriculture implements. First bit, the first operation in production of crop is dash tillage. Dash is a tillage operation employing a rotary action to cut, break and mix the soil. Rotary tillage. An open trench left in between two adjacent strips of land after finishing the plough is called dash dead furrow. The weight of the puddler, including its beam, is width range dash only 30 to 40 kg only. The moldboard plough. The moldboard is the curved part which lifts and turns the furrow slice. The land wheel. The dash is the wheel of the plough which runs on the unploughed land. Land wheel. Dash is the draft per unit cross-sectional area of the furrow. Unit draft. The mass of soil cut, lift and thrown to one side is called dash. Furrow slice. Dash is implement is used to trample and press the green manure crop in green fields. Green manure trampler. The device is used cut the furrow slice vertically from the land ahead of plough bottom. Coulter. The perpendicular distance between point of shear and the lower position of beam of the plough is called as dash throat clearance. The dash disc harrow is very useful for orchards and gardens. Offsets. Tractor drawn disc harrow have a concave discs of size varying from dash centimeter diameter 35 to 40. The dash is used to separate two adjacent discs and to keep them in position. Spool. The dash is a cultivator with the tines or a blade mounted on power-driven horizontal shaft. Rotary cultivator. The main purpose of puddling is to reduce dash leaching losses. Most of the fertilizer drills in the country are made with dash of mechanism to drop the fertilizer in the field, auger feed type. A transplanter fitted with the engine is called dash self-propelled transplanter. In case of paddy and vegetables, dash method is adopted to plant the seedlings. Transplanting. Art of placing the seeds in the soil to obtain a good germination is called sowing. The plough accessories look like a miniature plough is called dash jointer. Cultivator fitted with a disc is called disc cultivator. Dash is a part of the plough bottom which penetrates into the soil and makes a horizontal cut below the surface. Shear. Dash is a auxiliary wheel of an implement to maintain a uniform depth of working. Gauge wheel. Vertical disc plough is also called dash harrow disc plough. In spring tooth harrow, spring tooths are dash in shape, elliptical. Mechanical manipulation of soil to provide a favorable condition for crop production is called dash tillage. Beam is a part of the animal drawn size harrow which connects the implement with the dash yoke. The process to get predetermined seed rate of the seed drill is called dash calibration. Dash type of seedlings are raised in a nursery, mat type. To ensure the uniformity in metering of seeds, dash method is adopted. Sticky belt. Ploughworks round a strip of unploughed land is called dash casting. Process of placing the seeds in holes and covering them is called dash dibbling. The tilt angle of good disc plough is 15 degrees to 25 degrees. The disc angle of good disc plough is 42 degrees to 45 degrees. Scraper is a device to remove the soil and tends to stick the working surface of disc. Dash is a disc harrow comprising of 4 gangs in which each gang can be angled in position direction. Tandem disc harrow. Dash is used for making a bunds ridges by collecting the soil. Bund farmer. Rotavator is also called as rotary tillage. Wheel hoe is a hoe with 1 or 2 wheels. Wheel hoe. Thanks for watching this video. ఎప్పుడు మేము సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమనటం మానవైతే, బట్ ఫర్ ఏ చేంజ్ ఈసారి అందరూ కలిసి గంటతో పాటు లైక్ బటన్ కూడా గట్టిగా కొట్టండి. సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వంశీకృష్ణ.